Do you want to improve your pronunciation? Hi, my name is Jibril. I'm from Mali, West Africa. In this video, I want to share with you an application named English Conversation can help you more and more to master your pronunciation as well as possible. I improve my pronunciation with this application for 1 month, and I am continuing to practice and to master my pronunciation. This application, at the first time, you are going to listen to the dialogue at the first time. If you want, you can listen first time, second time, third time, and after that you can repeat, pause and repeat each conversation. And after that you are going to answer to do some questions. For example, generally it's 4 questions, and after that you are going to practice the person some as dialogue, one person speak and you respond them by watching or by seeing something writing as dialogue and repeat that. And after that you can record yourself 2 ways. For the first time, you can record yourself as the first person, and second time you can record yourself as the second person. Check this application and see what it is. It's a very good, interesting application to master your pronunciation. I guarantee in just 1 month, a month, you can master your pronunciation as well as possible.